Can you really trade stablecoins on Newton? It's a question many of you in the Canadian crypto space have probably asked, especially with the growing popularity and utility of stablecoins. In a market often defined by wild price swings and unpredictable volatility, stablecoins offer a much-needed anchor, a digital safe haven pegged to the value of traditional assets like the US dollar or Canadian dollar. But what does that mean for your trading strategy on a platform like Newton? And how accessible are these stable, yet innovative, digital assets for the average Canadian user? Let's break it down. For years, the crypto world was synonymous with the rollercoaster ride of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Massive gains, dramatic crashes, it was exhilarating, terrifying, and certainly not for the faint of heart. Then came stablecoins. Imagine having all the benefits of blockchain technology, speed, transparency, global reach, without the stomach-churning volatility. That's the promise of stablecoins. They're designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged 1:1 to a fiat currency like the US dollar, think USDC or USDT, or even the Canadian dollar, like QCAD. This stability makes them incredibly useful for a variety of purposes beyond just holding value. For traders, stablecoins are indispensable. They act as a crucial bridge between the volatile crypto market and the stable fiat world. Instead of cashing out entirely to Canadian dollars when you want to take profits or weather a market downturn, you can simply convert your volatile cryptocurrencies into stablecoins. This allows you to stay within the crypto ecosystem, ready to re-enter the market when opportunities arise, without incurring the traditional banking fees and delays associated with multiple fiat conversions. They are essentially your digital cash, always ready to deploy. Beyond trading, stablecoins are revolutionizing cross-border payments. Imagine sending money globally in seconds, with minimal fees, and without worrying about currency fluctuations. That's the power stablecoins offer. They facilitate efficient remittances, enable international commerce, and open up new avenues for financial services in emerging markets where traditional banking infrastructure might be lacking or expensive. The American Express CEO recently highlighted stablecoins as a viable alternative for sending money, and Visa is actively tailoring its strategy to leverage stablecoins in emerging economies for faster and cheaper transactions. Even major traditional financial institutions like PNC are teaming up with crypto exchanges like Coinbase to bring crypto as a service to their clients, with stablecoins being a key component of this digital financial system. So, with stablecoins being such a fundamental and increasingly important part of the crypto landscape, the question of whether a major Canadian platform like Newton supports them is paramount for anyone looking to engage with digital assets. Newton has established itself as a popular choice for Canadians, known for its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and a strong focus on security. It boasts over 70 supported crypto assets and prides itself on being a registered Canadian crypto trading platform. This robust offering, coupled with its commitment to a low-cost and secure trading environment, makes it a natural place for Canadians to explore stablecoin trading. And the answer is a resounding yes. Newton does support stablecoin trading. In fact, they have been an early adopter and a strong supporter of stablecoin projects in Canada. As early as May 2020, Newton announced the introduction of new stablecoin pairs, including USDT/USDC, XMR/USDC, and BTC/USDC. This demonstrated their forward-thinking approach and their commitment to providing users with diverse trading options. They recognize the immense value stablecoins bring to the crypto ecosystem, allowing for seamless exchanges between different digital assets and even between fiat currencies without the traditional banking hurdles. Currently, Newton lists USD Coin, USDC, as one of its supported assets, allowing users to trade it against the Canadian dollar, USDC/CAD. This is a significant offering, as USDC is one of the most widely used and trusted stablecoins in the world, backed by audited US dollar reserves. The availability of USDC on Newton means Canadian users can easily acquire a US dollar-pegged stablecoin, providing them with a stable asset to hold, trade, or use for various DeFi applications. But it's not just USDC. Newton's commitment to stablecoins goes back even further, with support for Tether, USDT, another prominent US dollar-backed stablecoin, and Stablecorp's QCAD, the Canadian dollar-backed stablecoin. This robust selection of stablecoins underscores Newton's dedication to offering a comprehensive and flexible trading environment for its Canadian users. They understand that stablecoins are not just a niche product, they are a cornerstone of a well-rounded crypto portfolio and a vital tool for navigating the digital asset landscape. The ability to trade stablecoins on Newton opens up a world of possibilities for Canadian crypto enthusiasts. For beginners, it provides a less volatile entry point into the crypto market. You can start by acquiring stablecoins, familiarize yourself with the platform, and then gradually explore other cryptocurrencies without the immediate pressure of extreme price fluctuations. For experienced traders, stablecoins on Newton offer a strategic tool for risk management, profit-taking, and efficient capital deployment. You can quickly move in and out of volatile assets, protecting your gains or preparing for new investment opportunities, all within the Newton ecosystem. Furthermore, the integration of stablecoins on Newton aligns perfectly with the evolving regulatory landscape in Canada. As a registered platform, Newton operates within the regulatory framework for crypto assets, providing a level of security and compliance that is crucial for building trust in the digital asset space. The increasing focus on stablecoin regulation, exemplified by legislative efforts like the Genius Act in the U.S., which aims to create a regulatory framework for stablecoins, highlights their growing importance and the need for platforms to offer them responsibly. Newton's proactive approach in supporting these assets positions it well within this developing regulatory environment. Beyond the immediate utility for individual users, Newton's support for stablecoins contributes to the broader adoption and maturity of the Canadian crypto market. By facilitating easy access to stable, fiat-pegged digital assets, Newton helps to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized world. This, in turn, fosters greater liquidity, encourages institutional participation, and ultimately strengthens the entire crypto ecosystem in Canada. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.